have that shits on. Now I'm about to do my intro and the fucking refrigerator is going nuts. Alright, this is a purple eyeshadow look and you're gonna watch it and you're gonna like it, right? My hair is flat as absolute hell. The refrigerator is going, so I'm gonna go. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It's pretty subtle because I feel like when I do purple looks, they start looking all pink and a little Barbie-ish, and I wanted to do like a nice little going out look that can flatter everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye. Alright, so I'm starting off by applying foundation to my forehead to begin this look, and this is just to add a base for my brow powder. I primed my lids with concealer. If you have oily eyelids, I definitely suggest a good eye primer. All the products I used in this video will be listed down below, so if there are any details you'd like to know, be sure to reference the description box. So my brows are done and I'm going to start working on my eyeshadow, beginning with my transition shade as always. I'm using the shade Quarry from MAC. I'm working this shade into the very hollow of my eye near the nose. This will just intensify that bone area and help structure the eyes more. And I'm blending outwards and up on the outer half of my eye. Building up the eyeshadow more, I'm picking up the shade Juicy from the Naked Cherry palette. This is adding a little more pink and warmth to it, and it helps the initial shade blend into my brow bone a little bit more. I'm then using the shade Mystic from this Bling Boss palette and deepening my crease. You want to build this slowly because once it goes on, we're not going back. So take your time adding this into your crease. To further blend it like I did with our very first transition shade, I'm adding Rockstar. It's still a purple, but it's a little lighter and has a little more pink and berry tones. This will just enhance the entire look and bring all the purples together. Then I just added some of the shade Devilish from the Naked Cherry palette to the outer half of my lid. And I used this old, possibly expired, eye cream from a Kylie Cosmetics holiday collection. I winged it out and topped it off with the shade Ballsy from that second palette. Then as a lot of my steps go, I'm following up with more blending, just allowing that lid shade to transition into the crease. And now it's liner time. I'm using my favorite gel liner by Maybelline in, of course, Blackest Black, and I'm creating a thin to medium thickness liner as well as a wing at the end. And to help me with this is my trusty Sigma winged liner brush. I could make an entire video on just this brush alone because I love it so much, but that's not happening today. And today I cleaned up my liner with some concealer and a flat definer brush. For some fun pop of purple, I'm mixing these two purple shades from the Morphe 35B palette, which I am not entirely sure if it's available anymore, but any vibrant purple shade will do. There are lots on the market now. I'm just softly smudging that along the entirety of the liner to create a smoked liner effect. Oh, I love how that looks. It looks so good, I think. This is like one of my favorite ways to do liner. I'm gonna use a smaller brush at the wing part. So lashes and mascara done. Again, all the products I use will be listed in the description box. I'm just applying my usual base routine with Benefit's Galifornia blush and these beautiful highlighters from Wet n Wild. They're so reflective and so affordable. I used both here, but you really only need one. To finish off the eyes, I'm taking the shade Pizzazz from the Bling Boss palette and smudging well into my lash line. Then took the shade next to it called Glitz and Glam. It's a really pretty light shimmery cranberry shade. I then used the same purples I used for the purple liner for the lower lash line just to tie everything together. I added a little more brightness to the inner corner with the shade Hotspot from Naked Cherry. Then I added a coat or two of mascara to the bottom lashes. And to complete the eyes, I'm adding this lilac corrector, but definitely use something that's meant for the eyes. I didn't wear this look for very long, so it wasn't on my eyes for very much time. Moving on to the last part of the look, and always my favorite, the lips. I paired this with a classic nude lip, or I should say maybe my classic nude lip, using Stripdown liner from MAC to outline my lip shape, and then filling it in with this liquid lip from Colourpop, adding some dimension with MAC's lipstick in Creme de Nude, and topping it all off with a smidge of Rimmel's Stay Glossy Gloss in Dorchester Rose. And that is it for this completed look, you guys. I'm so sorry it took me another million years to get this up, but I hope you all enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so I can keep making more videos. I love you guys all so much. I'll see you in the next one. I ain't dragging a lick. Bitch, I'm clapping on the dick.